Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the easiest handmade Rakhi tutorial. So let's start. Take a cardboard of 4 to 5 cm approx. Then wind silk thread across the cardboard. You can use any thread which is available at home, and instead of silk thread you can use any woolen or any thick thread which is available at your home. Here I am using two shades of color, one is blue and another one is green. And after winding up all the thread, remove all the bundle of thread from the cardboard. And make a knot at the middle of the bundle. And fix the end of the thread by using fabric glue. After that, cut both the end of the bundle. So that you can see the feathery look of the bundle. Then comb it well and cut down the unwanted thread. Now keep it aside and take a piece of paper and make a round shape of that. Here I am using a pearl shaded bead and I am going to slit it over a paper. You can use any bead which is available at your home. You don't need to go outside to purchase this stuff. And here is a ball chain. Here I am using a ball chain. If you don't have a ball chain, you can use a golden lace and any colorful lace instead of this. So couple it over this so it look like this. Here I am using a golden color lace. Instead of this you can use woolen thread also. So stick this lace over this. Here I am using a fabric glue. If you don't have a fabric glue you can use a Fevicol here. And yes, here we go. Our handmade Rakhi is ready. You can tag your creativity on my Instagram account. Link is available in the description box. Have a creative Rakshabandhan to all. And please don't forget to subscribe.